Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Plastic Restorer is probably one of the most transformative detailing products you can use on your car, boat, or outdoor furniture, capable of rejuvenating faded and cracked plastics to a like-new condition while simultaneously providing long-lasting protection against UV damage and the elements. This video will dive deep into what makes a truly great plastic restorer, and I'll show you how to apply it for the best results, ensuring your plastics look their absolute best for years to come. Number 5. Cerakote's Plastic Restorer. Say goodbye to faded and worn-out plastics. This product will renew and protect your vehicle's interior and exterior surfaces, making them look brand new. Tired of temporary fixes? This product's superior formula provides a long-lasting finish that will stay looking great for months, even after rain. Unlike other products that streak after rain, it repels water, maintaining its beautiful finish and lasting protection. This product dries completely to the touch, eliminating the oily residue common with other plastic restorers. No more greasy messes or ruined detailing towels. We use cutting-edge technology and the finest ingredients to create a high-quality product you can trust. Made in the USA with pride. We're committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or concerns, our team is here to help you. What we like. It's durable and stays looking great for months, even after rain. If you're tired of short-lived restorers, this is the one for you. This product is perfect if you want a long-lasting, water-resistant finish that dries completely. What people say. It effectively covered up small scratches and imperfections, enhancing the overall aesthetics. The application process is straightforward and hassle-free. It spreads evenly without leaving streaks or residue. Tried this on my older Land Rover Discovery and it restored the sunspots. The difference is night and day. Number 4. Cerakote Ceramic Trim Coat Kit. Say goodbye to dull, faded trim. This ceramic coating kit will restore and protect your vehicle's black plastic trim, making it look amazing for years to come. It's a ceramic coating, not a temporary dressing. It's guaranteed to last over 200 washes and for 2 full years. Unlike other products, it won't wash away after a few days. Tired of products that wash off after the first rain? This one is different. It bonds to your trim, providing long-lasting protection and a renewed look. This kit isn't for new trim, it's for restoring and protecting your existing trim. It will revitalize your faded plastic, giving it a deep, rich black finish. No greasy mess. The kit includes pre-moistened wipes and gloves for a clean and easy application. Just wipe and go, no spraying or buffing required. This isn't some secret formula, it's science-backed ceramic technology. Developed by Cerakote, a world leader in ceramic coatings, it bonds to your trim for lasting results. Cerakote is a trusted name in ceramic coatings, used by leading aerospace, automotive, and technology companies worldwide. Trust the experts to protect your vehicle. What we like. It's a ceramic coating that lasts for 2 years, even after 200 washes. If you need a long-lasting, durable solution, this is it. Choose this if you want a truly permanent solution that won't wash away. What people say. Application is easy, you just wipe it slowly across the material. Immediately I was amazed at how well it looked, even with just one wipe. A few months and it looks amazing. I've gone off-roading, gotten paint on some of the fenders, and washed the car at least 30 times and the plastic pieces still look new. The coating is still very much intact and wicks away most dirt and debris. I even sadly drove over some wet paint in the road and it was almost impossible to get off the areas I didn't treat, but the ones that did literally just wiped right off after it had already dried. Number 3. MEGUIAR'S Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer. Give your car's exterior trim a renewed look. It's easy to use and brings back the rich black color to faded plastics. This product revitalizes non-painted plastic, vinyl, and rubber trim. Say goodbye to dull, faded trim. It's perfect for bumpers, moldings, door handles, and more. It's a versatile solution for all your car's exterior trim needs. A little goes a long way. The thick formula means you only need a small amount for complete coverage, preventing overspray. It's designed to last. This advanced formula significantly outlasts other protectants, offering long-lasting protection. It dries quickly and leaves a streak-free finish. Even when wet, it maintains its rich, black color. Simply apply a small amount, spread evenly, and wipe off any excess. It's that simple. What we like. It's a non-greasy formula with UV protection that lasts longer than conventional products. If you value convenience and a quick, easy application, this is for you. This product is ideal if you want a durable, non-greasy finish that's easy to apply. What people say. The black plastic was almost white, certainly gray. I applied this stuff 3 days in a row. It's been 2 weeks and it still looks great. It was easy to apply and easy to clean up. I used very little of the cream and did 3 coats, and now have a shining actual black bumper to go with the rest of my vehicle. Number 2. Solution Finish Trim Restorer. Is your car's trim looking faded and dull? This product will bring back that rich black color, making it look better than new. It's easy to apply and provides long-lasting protection. You get a generous 12-ounce bottle, perfect for multiple uses. Simply apply it with a cloth for quick and even coverage. Watch it instantly revive faded plastic and vinyl. It's formulated with advanced polymers for a like-new finish. This silicone-free and VOC-compliant formula is safe and effective on a variety of surfaces. Use it on your car, truck, ATV, boat, or any vehicle with plastic or vinyl trim. It works wonders on bumpers, handles, and even mud flaps. We're confident you'll love the results. This product is made with top-notch quality and backed by our customer satisfaction guarantee. Get a durable, long-lasting finish you can trust. What we like. It instantly revives the color of your trim and is suitable for various surfaces. If you need a quick and effective solution for multiple surfaces, this is it. This product is perfect if you want a versatile, long-lasting solution for all your vehicles. What people say. It looks like black car polish and it would be a good idea to wear gloves to keep your hands from staining. Well worth the money, and it is holding up. This stuff can breathe life into dingy-looking bumper covers and trim and make your vehicle look much nicer. Solution Finish covers the leftover dirt 100% evenly and leaves a deep, black finish. It has a satiny gloss to it. Not super shiny, very similar to the original finish, maybe a little shinier. After the entire surface was covered, I used a separate clean microfiber cloth to rub the product in and remove any excess. It is a laborious process to be sure, but if you care about the looks of your mats and spent the dollar on WeatherTech, it is absolutely worth it. The blackening also lasts a long time, so you aren't constantly reapplying. Number 1. 3D Trim Care Restorer. It's a premium trim gel that restores faded and dull plastic molding, trim, and bumpers to their original, shiny form. Say goodbye to dullness and hello to a renewed shine. This trim gel has a non-greasy formula, making it easy to apply. It gets deep into the surface to bring that black trim color back to life. It's designed to last and protect your plastic trim even after washing your car. Enjoy long-lasting results and protection. It gives your trim that like-new look. It's excellent for any car with plastic trims or bumpers. Get ready for a dramatic improvement. We've been researching and creating car care products for over 25 years. Experience a trim restorer that's tried and trusted. It's a product you can trust. What we like. It restores your trim to its original look with a non-greasy formula that lasts. If you're looking for a premium solution that brings back the shine, this is for you. This product is perfect if you want a long-lasting, non-greasy finish that restores your trim to its original appearance. What people say. I like the quality and ease of application. A little honey-like consistency but spreads easily. Use this on car interior. Great results, restored it back to like new. Exterior, it looked great but didn't last after a car wash, and it did streak, however, it didn't revert back to the former faded condition. It's quick and easy to apply, and I did a quick touch-up making it like new again. A little goes a long way. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.